I'm about to take this air conditioner out of the window because summer's over. But before I do that, I want to show you something that we did to save energy while we were using it all summer. Years ago, when I lived in another house, I had an air conditioner just like this one installed in a window in a small room. And it worked great when it was hot out. But I noticed starting around in July, maybe through August, at nighttime, the temperature dropped a lot lower, maybe into the mid-60s. But inside the room, it was still in the upper 70s or lower 80s. I wanted to take advantage of that nice cool air that was outside, but there was no way to do that because the air conditioner was permanently mounted in the window and I couldn't open the window. The top edge of air conditioners like this are typically attached to the bottom edge of the window sash using a small screw like this one. Now, theoretically, I could have lifted the whole thing out of the window at night so I could get the air in through the open window and then put it all back in the morning when I wanted air conditioning again, but that's crazy. I don't know anybody who would do that. So there I was stuck having to run the air conditioner at night when there was plenty of perfectly good cool air outdoors that I couldn't take advantage of because I couldn't open the window. Air conditioners like this take somewhere between 450 and 700 watts typically. And I really wanted to see if I could find a way to save most of that energy, if not all of it. So I had an idea. I got a couple of pieces of scrap wood, I cut them to the correct length, I drilled some holes through them, and added some carriage bolts. I attached it to the top of the air conditioner using the screw that normally screws into the bottom of the window sash, mounted in the window, and adjusted the bolts so that the air conditioner was level, which it's supposed to be, and the top edge of the piece of wood in the window exactly fit the bottom of the window sash so that it would close snugly. So at night, all I had to do was open the window across the room, put in a fan blowing outwards, and cool air was drawn in and cooled off the room very quickly. The fan in the window that I put in the other side of the room takes maybe 100 watts if it's on high or less than that. And if it was on medium or low, it takes easily less than 50 watts. So I saved a lot of electricity and I got free cold air coming in. Now, the next morning, all I had to do was take the fan out of the window, close that window, close this window, put the air conditioner back on, and I was getting air conditioning during the hot part of the day. What you see here is the first prototype I made, and I designed it to fit correctly in the window of the room I was in back when I first built it. It doesn't quite fit this window correctly, so that's why you see these cardboard shims on either side to take up the difference. But it essentially works exactly the same way as it did in the other house. The advantage of using a device like this when compared to brackets that mount on the outside of the house is that you don't have to drill any holes or mount anything to the outside of the building. It can all be done from inside the room. It also doesn't involve making any holes or damage to the inside of the room or the molding or the window. The screw goes in the same place it would if you had a regular air conditioner without this device. So even if you're a renter, the landlord shouldn't have any problem with having you use something like this because when you take it out, there'll be no evidence that it was there. I made a second prototype of this, and I'll show that in the next video. I'll also explain how you can make one for yourself, or if you don't have the skills or tools to do that, where you might be able to get one.